guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited because marks the first fall DIY that I will be making. This is a very simple DIY. It cost me $0, but you can completely do it for under $5 because I didn't have to purchase a frame. But if you went to a secondhand store, even a dollar store, you can pick up a frame for this that would work as well. And then I just did some free printables, and I'm using some white paint that I had on hand and some glue, and that's it. But this, like I said, this is a great DIY, simple, and I think it's gonna be a great addition to my fall decor. And this video is also part of a challenge that is hosted by Christy from Christy Creates, and her co-host this month is Maria from Crafting with Maria, and they have asked us to create a DIY for as cheap as possible, tell you the price, which I just did, and make sure that it fits the decor. I'm going to go with a modern farmhouse type of look for the fall, and I love pumpkins. I love anything that has pumpkin saying in it, so this is what I'm creating for my fall decor. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. But I just want to mention that I will have both of the hosts' channels linked down below, as well as the playlist, so make sure you go check it out after you are finished watching my video. So this picture frame I've had for many years, but as you can see, it kind of got damaged and the glass is missing already. It's not working as a picture frame, but I love the little details on it, so I didn't want to throw it out. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to paint it, but I want some of the details to show through, so I will be dry brushing the paint on. If you don't know what dry brushing, which I'm pretty sure almost everybody does, is you take some paint, you dip your paintbrush into some paint, and then you take it off so your brush is fairly dry, and then you brush it on. So there, it just gives it a nice effect, kind of takes away the gold, which I wasn't crazy about, and it just brings out the little details in the frame. I also want to say, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Sonja, and I have 3 different channels. This one, which I do DIYs. Then I have my home channel, where I do cleaning, and I showcase my DIYs in my home. I do home tours, home decor. And then I have my 3rd channel where I share my passion for cooking. And that one is called Domestic Diva Cooking. All the channels will be linked in my description box, so make sure you check them out if there's something that might interest you. And on this channel, I post DIY several times a week. My schedule is usually 3 days a week, but if there are challenges that I want to participate, I do participate in them, so that you might get a full week of DIYs. So there, I am absolutely happy with the way this frame turned out. Just to kind of give you a close-up, it looks fantastic. So now for my insert, I have already pre-cut 2 sides. I measured out just a thicker piece of paper and then just a white one, because the 2 pieces of cardboard that were there were too small and they would fall through because there's no glass. So I cut out something that would fit right in. And now I printed this off of Pinterest. I will have the link to a free printable in there, but I'm going to cut it because I want to kind of center it a little bit better. Just going to use my ruler. Tiptoes undercover, agents of the I can't tell you guys how excited I am for fall. Christmas is my favorite season to decorate for, but fall comes very close to it, and I am looking forward to it so much. I hope fall brings some more stability into our lives. I'm hoping, but if nothing else, I will have lots of fun decorating my home for fall and sharing it all with you, and creating all these nice DIYs. I'm so excited about all the things that I have planned for the upcoming seasons. Okay, so I'm just going to glue that right there, and I'm just using school glue to do that. You could also use Mod Podge, but I am just using school glue. You can also take Mod Podge and put it over the picture. There it is. Now I'm going to slide it into the frame. This frame is stapled right at the top, so I'm going to I'm just going to, actually it fits perfectly in, so I don't think I'm gonna need to add tape, but sometimes, just to show you, it fits perfectly. Sometimes I'll add tape so it doesn't move around. There. And there we go. I absolutely love the way this looks. So I would like to thank Christy and Maria for hosting this challenge. I love participating in these challenges that make me challenge myself to create something for cheap, and I think I have achieved this in this project. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell. We've got tons of new fall DIYs coming up your way, so make sure your notification bell is on. And make sure you check out both of the hostess channels, which will be linked down below, as well as the playlist for tons of great cheap DIY inspirations. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.